So welcome back to new video. Since I have to pre-record the videos, since I'm busy on Monday, I will just make forecast for the week, and I hope you can still use it in like Tuesday, even though I uploaded on Monday. Okay, Euro Japanese yen is not a popular pair. Normally people trade these, but I still want to do it since I sometimes trade it. So I just want to show you. Since also we have like a, I think, really good setup. As you can see here, we just had our impulsive trend. We had like a up, down, up, down, up, down. And now we have the last phase. Normally it takes out this liquidity after it had like 3 pumps, then it goes down and changes trend. So I think we will definitely be bullish until there. And also we just hit the next point because we are under the 50% mark in this order block that we see here. Before we get into the video though, I want to quickly introduce my partner, my flash funding. I'm not just saying this because they're my partner. I really like this prop firm and I think it will be one of the biggest in the future. They have such a small profit target by just 6%, which is easily obtained by just two 1 to 3 risk reward trades. And if you want to get yourself an account, this is my code. Link is in the description, and let's go into the video. So yeah, we have the order block here, and it just reacted off that. Made another reaction lower time frame, reacted to order block once again. It has a strong market gap here, which doesn't really matter. But we just had our like impulsive uptrend all the time with a lot of wicks telling us that the price really, it wants to go down because it has a lot of wicks, wick, and now it can't hit this liquidity. So we have our strong liquidity points that we want to reach is first of all this one, and obviously this one. So this is the liquidity it wants to reach, but it shows me that it like kind of can't take it out right now because there was a lot of impulsive move, and now we're just changing trend. So what are we looking for? Normally we just wait for it to go into the 50% mark once again. What do we see? We either wait for this. If it goes all the way down here to this order block, I wouldn't take it anymore because just out of experience this doesn't look valid anymore. Then just build up too much of a liquidity support resistance area here that it just takes it out probably. So if it goes all the way down here, I wouldn't see it as a good reaction. I want it to react in some like a place here. Normally in combination with, I think this is a unicorn setup or something. I'm not even sure. I just saw some screenshots of people using it, and I never looked the video of it. I don't even know what it is. But I think this is a unicorn setup because if it goes all the way down here, we have like the fair value gap here. This is an order block. So and BPR all the way. Like this area is really, really the best area of this thing, you know. So if it goes all the way down here, this is a good reaction. If it already acts around here after it takes liquidity into somewhat of an order block here and then 2-hour probably fair value gap, this one would also be fine. You just have to see if it reacts good or not. I don't know. This one doesn't look as good. I would only take this. And if it goes all the way down here, all the way down here, I would wait for like a good break of such a 5 minute mitigating some kind of fair value gap here, otherwise I wouldn't trade it before. Then going back down and then making a break structure here would make my stop loss here, maybe first TP here without making break even after it takes first TP, since it's just such a bad risk reward. And then I would aim for at least this. And if you want to swing trade it, which I normally don't do, but you could aim for all the way down up here. So this is my forecast for Euro Japanese yen. And just wanted to say I'm hosting a giveaway every second week where I'm giving away 2 10k funded accounts on my Discord. Link is in the description. So if you want to join, it's really easy to join there. It's just following my socials and joining my Flash funding Discord, and you're already in. And since I'm hosting this every second week with a small community, it's really likely that you will win it. And yeah, like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about trading, just ask them in the comment section, so I will make a video about it, because I'm kind of running out of ideas, as I said, and I really want to continue uploading. I think I help a lot of people. I got some messages where they told me that I explained it really well. I'm really glad about this, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.